In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from the Amazon app if you use Amazon on a shared device, want to switch accounts, or just prefer a little extra privacy. Signing out is quick and easy. I'll walk you through it on both iPhone and Android, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Amazon shopping app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. You'll know you're signed in if you can see your home feed with deals, search, and your account area. If the app opens to a sign in screen, you're already logged out and don't need to do anything else. A stable internet connection helps here since the app may take a moment to load your account. Next, access the main menu. Look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. On iPhone, you'll find this at the bottom right of the screen. On Android, it's usually at the top left. Tap that icon to open the full list of options for your account and app features. Depending on your app version or region, the label or layout might vary slightly, but the three-line icon is the thing to look for. Now scroll down within the menu and tap Settings. This is where Amazon groups account and app controls. It's typically near the bottom, so keep scrolling until you see it. If the menu looks long or busy, take your time. Settings is the section that manages your sign-in status, notifications, and other preferences. Inside Settings, find and select Sign Out. This option might appear on its own line and is designed to be easy to spot. Tapping Sign Out will start the process, but you'll get a confirmation step so you don't sign out by accident. When the prompt appears, confirm by tapping Sign Out again. After you confirm, the app will take you back to the sign-in screen. That's it, you're logged out. Your account remains intact, and none of your orders, lists, or preferences are deleted. You'll simply need to sign in again the next time you want to shop, which may include entering a verification code if you use two-step verification. A quick tip, if you don't see the menu or the settings option exactly as shown here, make sure your Amazon shopping app is up to date in your device's app store. And if you're selling or giving away your phone, signing out is a smart final step for your privacy. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Amazon tips and tutorials.